So hi guys, good evening. So we are discussing about this recycler view, right? So in a recycler view, last we have modified something like we added the card view for this. So here it is showing some error. Image view has done. Where is that error? Here it is showing in a linear layout. So linear layout, and we added the orientation. So why it is showing here error? Horizontal. So what is the error here? Card view, we are applying the card view for the linear layout only, but why it is showing the again? So even we have closed here linear layout. So there are two linear layouts, not two, three linear layouts. So here we have to close one more linear layout. Right, this is the vertical. So this has closed here. Right before this, we have to close one more. This is correct. So that is the error here. Now we have closed this. Now it is fine. So now let me run this so that we can see this how this card view has. After that, we will apply listener for this. So for this layout, like I want to check with this listener here. So how to apply listener here? So there is a custom adapter. So in a custom adapter, we have to apply listener. So like whatever I'm expecting here, listener is. So whatever the image is there. So for the image, I'm expecting the this. So that is a older dot. So pick dot. So set on on click listener. So I'm expecting that the basic listener only, that is on click listener. So here I have added this. So here now we will capture the toast dot make text. So that is here like this means here already we have the context, right? Context ADB context, we have taken that ADB context comma. So here whatever the position, so that for our understandable, like here I'll write that image. So image position, whatever the position we are capturing that position, then toast dot length long. So I have added this length long finally dot show. So whatever what I'm expecting is here like how our WhatsApp is performing, like how our WhatsApp, like once I click on the image, it is showing zoom in image. Then after that something else like if other place, so that is opening the chart kind of thing, right? So that like this same I want to apply here. So to apply that here now, first step I have added for image, but if I want to remaining space, so this remaining space, if I want to add here, so there is a after image view, here we have a layout, right? So for this layout, I am applying here one thing like I'm giving that ID. So for that, I'm giving an ID. So that for that ID, if I give the listener, so that will work for entire affix. So that is @ plus ID. So that is the BT1. Sorry, linear. This is a linear, right? So linear. I have added the linear layout. So linear I have added now. So here I have. So first of all, here I want to declare that. So where linear or something, I will put layout. So where layout. So that is the linear, right? Linear layout. So I'm taking here as the linear layout. So linear layout will handle nullify condition here. Done. So like similar here, we will find out that layout. So here it is the layout. Here it is linear, something like this. Now here we have to apply the listener for that. So here, this is the layout, right? So here, instead of this text, just I'll write the text dot position, like that it will come. See now, once it is done here, that also we can observe here. The first step is that and second step is this, we will see here now. Something it is here. So we have to import this linear layout. That now it is clear. So now if we'll run, both will work here. That and this will both will work here now. So after this, now I supposed to show one thing like I don't know how the program execution will happen. So means I want to debug the application. See here, just I'm clicking here, right? So where is the numbers as there? Just click on top of the numbers. So it will select all the debugger points. So parse. Where is that parse error message? 27 action. Failed. Compile XML, it is somewhere it is a issue. In XML stream unknown next. Wait, in XML somewhere it is an error. Okay, here Android. Okay, now this. So here in a Kotlin files, like every place, so like I'm selecting here like this, so that we will understand that how the execution flow will. So that after this output, I'll show you that execution flow. That execution flow is main and important. Like here, say for example, I want to write a Recyclerview code. I don't know the code. So just I search in a Google Recyclerview. So I got the code somewhere. So just I copy pasted an entire code. But how I want to understand how the execution is happening. So if I place these icons like this, and when I click this, means I'll debug the code so that I can understand. That is one benefit. In case a program is not closing, but I'm not getting the what is the data I'm expecting. The data I'm not getting. Then also it will be the problematic for this. So that is the main reason here to this. So to check that, it will be main problem. It will be happens here. So let finish this now. That is launching, we will see now. See now, this is the output. Like here, see, it is working. Like now, separation is created. Now I'm clicking this. So image 2. So now I'm clicking this side. So that is the text to like this. The listener will work this. Right now, I supposed to show something here that is like here. So debug. So here is the option. You see here. This is the debug option. Now I'm clicking on the debug. So when I click this debug here, so that should be work properly here. So now this will work here properly here. Right. So in case if I run with the debug, so what happens here? You can see here in mobile. So how it should be, like it will stop there in while launching this, it will stop there, like it won't open the screen. So the execution, like step-by-step execution will comes into our control. So it means we can execute line by line code here. So that how this is happening here now that we are supposed to see here now. See now it is going to launch here. So but the weather is a little bit slow on this. Still it is taking time. See here now, here in a mobile, it shows that in debug mode. So now it will be stop that execution of that. See here below. See it is open debug mode. So it is it will highlight the screen somewhere. Wait, see it is running here, right? But it went one step forward by. So it's supposed to be in the first page. Just I'm re-debugging this, re-clicking on this so that it should stop from the step 1. So from here, it should stop from here so that we can run one by one, step by step. So now it is showing the course debugging mode. See, now it has stopped there. See, it is waiting for debugger mode. So it is stopped there. Here, see, in a main activity, here it is stopped here. Now, from here, I'll move here. See, there is a debugger point here. Now we can go here step by step. Like here, if it is done, here it is the click on this, it goes to the next line. So the line number, see, this is the line, now it is executing. Then it goes to the next line. So then it goes to the next line. Like here, it will go step by step, every line by line, it will move to the next. See, now it jump into the custom adapter. So in a custom adapter, now it is checking that, see here, whatever the data we transferred there, the data has came here or not. See, it is showing here the data. So whatever we have, you added the data, so that all the data here it is showing here. So now it jump into back. So okay, constructor has created properly. Now it is jumped into the main activity. Now it will switch to again this. So now it is checking the length of the array. See here, total 4. It is checking the length of the array. So then it is moving to the next step. So next step to layout inflator. It goes to the layout inflator. Wait, it is a little bit slow. See now all the size of the array is checked here. Now it jump into layout inflator. See the layout inflator. Then from there it return to my view folder. Right, from there it is checking that. So whatever the components we have declared here, so those all are presented in XML or not. It is checking one by one. Then now it will execute the case which is like index 0. With index 0, it will execute. See, position 0. Like how many positions are there? Like here now it is assigning the data on a index 0. Right here, and index 0, it is assigning the data here. Right, like this. So now again it jump into the next level. So that is the position 1. Now it will execute position 1 like this. Means how many items are there? It will repeat that many times in a loop. So now we can see here, see position 1. Like I'll run quickly one by one here so that we can see the next step of this. Means here while loading this, we can say here whatever the data responses here we are getting, right? There you can identify if any data is missed. Like here, see AAA, BBB, it is showing just before that, right? So in case if any data is mismatching there, like here, see the data is coming. Okay, this is coming properly. Okay, if it is data is not coming, so that data is not coming proper, like that, you can justify that data you can coming or not, like that. So this is how this debug will work, like this. Like you want to release from debug mode, either you can click here or you can click here, automatically it will come out of the debug mode. So, but this is main and important thing. So till this recycler view, you can practice, and tomorrow we will see like how to move from first page to second page. So those we can concentrate. As of now, whatever we discussed, that we are in a single page, right? That we will discuss in tomorrow's class.